Yeah, hi everyone, welcome to this demo video for ProfitStrike, and I'm in the dashboard at the moment. We're going to placeholder video for now, don't worry about that. We're going to have some bonuses here which you can pick up just by clicking on the link. Inside the dashboard you can see your funnel stats. We'll show you how to set them up in just a minute. You can see how many funnels you have, how many opt-ins you have, and how many affiliate products you have as well. So the first step that we want to be doing is we want to be going to affiliate products and just setting some up. Now I have already set a couple here and you will see how that all fits in just a minute. But what we do is to set a new one up is you go to add affiliate product, you give it a name, you give it a description, you give it an image, and I'm going to show you how to get these images links, because you need to be putting a link. So you can't just sort of add a file, it's got to be a link. I'll show you this in just a minute. And then you put your affiliate link in there, which is where the traffic is going to be sent to. This is your money link. And then you select the page. I'm going to show you what these pages mean in just a minute. You can see I've got a 3 here. Can have more, but I'll show you how to work these out as well in just a minute. And then button text, so opt in or click here or learn more or whatever. So before we do anything else, let me show you where to get the image link from. I use a company called Images or Image Shack, and this is not, you don't have to do this. I mean, maybe there's other ways of doing it, but what I do is you just kind of you browse and upload your image, your JPEG or whatever. Okay, and then once you've done that, basically the software gets you the link in PNG format. Okay, so very, very easy. And then you just click on Get Links and you copy that into the system here, into the software. So let me just show you ready-made one that we have. So I'll put the demo test description images, so I've added the image in PNG format, affiliate link, which I've just taken the BBC guide, but this is obviously your affiliate link. Select the page, so I've selected this page here and a button text. Okay, right, so the next stage is what we're going to be doing. Let me just show you how it all kind of sits together. So if I go to Done For You Funnels, what you can do is you can choose, you can either preview, and that shows you the opt-in page. Okay, so we get ready-made ones, and you get I believe you get, well, you can see the 60 here, so 60 of these. And so the way to do this is, so you can preview the pages, and there's quite a few, and you can download as well, but I want to use it. So when I click on use, that page and this description, this name, is going to show up on My Lead Funnels, and this is really where the action is. So let's say that I'm going to be using this one here, so Amazon Kindle, because I love Amazon, so I'm going to be using that. So look, I'm just going to click on this, page created successfully, and then I'm going to access it here. There you go. So I don't have any traffic because I've just set it up. Now, a couple of things I can do here, guys. That's the preview page, which the opt-in page. So you can see that there. This is the thank you page, which I can preview. Now, what I want to do is get to a situation where I possibly have a couple of these, because you'll see what I mean. What I'm going to be doing now is adding affiliate offers. So what that means is when someone is downloading their opt-in, their bonus, while they do that, they get presented with a couple of offers here. These are going to be paid offers with my affiliate link inside. So that's why not only am I going to be capturing someone's leads or someone's details, but also that person might purchase product from me as well. So that's what we want to be doing. And the way to do that is, okay, so we go to affiliate products. Now remember, these ones I've already set them up, and then I'm going to be corresponding this page, this affiliate product, okay, I'm going to be corresponding it with that thank you page. I'm going to be literally slotting that product into that thank you page. So what you do is you go to here and then you choose which page. So the software automatically enables you to sync it. So I'm going to go to here and I'm going to save changes, and I'm going to do exactly the same with this product here. Okay, and then I'm going to save the changes, and then when I go to my lead funnels and I look at the review thank you page, you got these two here. So that's the way it works. You download your bonus, but in the meantime you're presented with two paid offers. And that's pretty much it. There's a couple more things that I want to cover with you. First of all, you get autoresponders. So when you set the funnels, what happens is you get the ability to configure the autoresponder, so you can choose which one. So you just configure it, and as we've seen, you can choose your thank you page as well. And that's the first thing I wanted to show you. The other one, I'm not going to spend time on the opt-ins because that's just the people who've opted in. You can either they get straight into your autoresponder, or you can just download it from here. But what's really interesting is the fact that you can choose the products from here. So we've connected into ClickBank, JVZoo and Warrior Plus, and you can see the products, you can see how much they've sold, conversions, and so on. EPC, you can sort it by conversion and EPC as well. Commission, so gives you a nice ability to choose the best product to promote, and then you just get the link, your affiliate link, and this is how you configure your product and the funnel. So hopefully that's making sense, and thank you very much for listening and watching this demo video. See you on the inside.